eating my jacket. Look at this. You little
Give
punk.
them a tap on the nose.
Okay.
If they're doing wrong, we correct, just like children.
No. You need to stop that.
Willow. Willow, knock it off.
Like your
Knock it off. Thank you.
So nice to have a.
Are you saying hi to all the goats,
You know.
Adrielle?
Knock it off.
Yeah.
No.
And you're gonna drink their yummy goat milk when their goat milk is ready.
Couple weeks.
I'm so excited. I have
Chicken
been
butt.
missing it. We have been missing it so much. Huh?
And head.
Milk. This is where these are the mamas. They have babies in their. They have babies in their belly. They have babies in their belly, and when the babies come out, then they're gonna make milk. Yeah, very gentle with the bellies. Yeah, gentle with the bellies. What's going on in there?
Someone's getting fed. They're getting food. They're getting dinner. Oh, time to eat.
What's that up there? That chicken or?
That actually is an Americana. It's just like that boy there, Cross. The Americana and Red Jungle Club. That's actually one of his daughters.
Oh.
A little inbred.
A little inbred.